welcome back in science classes. I am Jagpreet Kaur, science teacher of DPS Salwani Lamaja. Dear student, in this video we will do revision of grade 6 science chapter number 12, that is electricity and circuits. So let's begin. So student, the first topic is power station. What is power station? The electricity which is supplied at your home, at the factories or in your school is supplied from a place which is known as a power station. Okay. Now what is electric cell? Electric cell is a source of electricity. Okay. Electric cell, it is a source of electricity. Now how the production of electricity in a cell? Okay, how this production, if here we are saying that electric cell is a source of electricity, so how this electricity is produced in an electric cell? Dear students, some chemicals are present in cell which are stored in that, okay, and that helps in producing the electricity. When the chemicals which are present in the electric cell is used up, okay, completely, then the electric cell will stop working. Okay. So now what is the terminal? Terminal are the two sides, okay, and which is known as a positive and the negative. Okay. Those sides होती हैं, that is positive and the negative, and these are known as a terminal. Now let's see the image, the diagram of an electric cell. Now students, you can see the image of an electric cell. Okay, so this is the black color rod here. This is a carbon rod. Okay, this is a carbon rod, or we can say that the graphite rod. Okay, or we can say the graphite rod. Okay, and the dot here you can see. This is a chemical paste. Okay, this is a chemical paste, and this green color structure here, this is a metal plate. Okay, this is a metal plate which is generally of zinc. Okay, so all these things are present in this set, and which is this chemical paste helps in producing then electricity. When this chemical paste is used up completely, then this cell will stop working. Okay, and I have told you about the terminals. So these are the two terminals. First is this, which is the positive one, and second terminal is the negative one. Okay. Now the next term or the next topic is the battery. What is a battery? When two or more cells are joined together. Okay, for example, one cell, and after this one more cell is there, two cells are there, then these are known as a battery. Okay. So this is how, for example, one cell is this, then again second cell is this, or the three cells, or the four cells, or the two cells, means the cells, two or more cells are joined together, then the battery is formed. Okay, that is known as a battery. Now what is a bulb and how it glows? Let's see this now. So now student, the bulb and how it glows, let's see this. Here I am making a diagram, okay, of a bulb. So this is the base part, okay, this is a base, this is a filament, glass cover that you can see. Okay, now how the current will flow and how the current flows and how it glows. So student, the wet end of this wire is attached here, means these are the two terminals. Okay, one is in positive and another one is in negative one. So at one, this base is of the metal. Okay, this is the metallic base. So one wire is attached here and the second one at the bottom of it. Okay, so this is how the connection of the two terminals takes place here. It is means the one of the wire. This is a metallic wire, thick metallic wire. Okay, which holds up this filament. Which holds up this filament. Okay. So one of the wire is attached here, means at the one terminal, and the second wire attached at the bottom of it. So this is how the circuit is complete, and the current flow to the through this complete circuit. And inside this glass, a gas is present. Okay, that is an inert gas. For example, an argon. Okay, for example, argon. Here I am writing ARGON. Argon is an inert gas. Now, what is the use of this argon in the bulb? So, due to heat, okay, when this bulb will glow, so the heat also will evolve from this. हीट भी निकलेगी, गर्म भी होता है, जिसकी वजह से क्या होता है, वेपोराइजेशन. सो दिस आर्गन विच इज एन इनर्ट गैस, it will retard that. Okay, it will retard the formation of vaporization. Okay, it retard the vaporization, means vapor बनने से रोकता है. कौन? That is an argon. ARGON, argon. Okay, now when we say that the bulb is fused, okay, means what is it? Fused bulb. So when after the when we use a single bulb for a long time, what happens? The wire, this filament, okay, will broken down. ठीक है, यहाँ से क्या हो जाती है, तो फिलामेंट टूट जाती है. जब फिलामेंट टूट जाती है, then what happen? The flow of the current is from one end to the second end will not complete. ठीक है, वो completely flow नहीं कर पाएगा, यहाँ पे आके रुक जाएगा. When the current will flow from here and when it return back, then it will not come back to this position. Okay, so यहाँ पे आपका current formation, current का flow रुक जाएगा. So this is how this bulb will not glow, and hence the bulb is said to be fused. Okay, now let's understand about the circuits. Now students, what are circuits? When electric current flow from one terminal and coming back to the another terminal, okay, and from that terminal, from the another terminal again it is flowing. Okay, so this is complete flow, complete rotation of an electric current is known as a circuit. Okay, for example, here I am making a circuit. Okay, this is a bulb, and here this is a battery. Okay, and this is a positive terminal and this is a negative terminal. Okay, and these are the two wires which are connected to the positive terminals and the negative terminal. So from here, when the current will flow, okay, like this, the current will start flowing and continuously it is going into the bulb, okay, and again it is coming back to the positive terminal, going to the negative terminal, and this bulb will glow. So this complete is known as a circuit. Okay. Now students, circuit are of two types, that is open and closed circuit. Okay, circuit are of two types, closed circuit and open circuit. So here again we will draw a bulb. Okay, wires are here. Okay, so this small and big line are showing here the battery. Okay, these are the battery. First, small one is showing here for the positive one, and here the bigger line is showing the negative one. Okay. Now what happened? Here you can see a arrow. Okay, and here I have not connected the wire with this. ठीक है, यहाँ से मैंने जो वायर को यहाँ पे कनेक्ट नहीं किया, एंड हियर आई हैव मेड एन एरो. So the current will not flow from here to this. How it will can go through this wire? Because from here the wire is not connected. Okay, so this is known as an open circuit. ओपन सर्किट, यहाँ पे सिर्फ जो वायर को हमने कनेक्ट नहीं किया, एंड हियर आई हैव मेड एन की. दिस एरो इज नोन एज ए की, और वी कैन से अ स्विच आल्सो. ठीक है, व्हेन वी स्विच ऑफ, जब हम स्विच ऑफ करते हैं, जैसे हमने फैन को ऑफ किया, देन व्हाट हैपेंड, द फैन विल स्टॉप. ओके, सो व्हाट हैपेंड इन दैट, जब हम स्विच ऑफ करते हैं तब क्या होता है, जो हमारा की है, दिस की विल ओपन. ओके, एंड इट विल स्टॉप फ्रॉम हियर, इट विल स्टॉप द फ्लो ऑफ करंट, एंड द bulb will not glow, it will stop glowing, or the fan it will stop moving, it will stop the working. Okay, when we switch on the switch, जब हम स्विच को ऑन करते हैं, देन व्हाट हैपन, जो ये की थी हमारी, जब हम ऑन करते हैं, दिस की विल क्लोज हियर. ठीक है, ये वाली जो की है इससे क्लोज हो जाएगी, एंड जो सर्किट है वो आपका कंप्लीट हो जाएगा. यहाँ पे से ब्रेक नहीं हो रहा है, ये कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, वायर आपकी कंप्लीट है कनेक्शन, एंड द करंट विल फ्लो टू दिस कंप्लीट सर्किट. ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो करंट का जो फ्लो है, जो हमने यहाँ पे रोका हुआ था, इट विल स्टार्ट फ्लोइंग फ्रॉम हियर, एंड फ्रॉम द वन टर्मिनल टू द another terminal, the current will flow, and this bulb will also start glowing, and this is known as a closed circuit. This is known as a closed circuit. Okay, I hope you understood now what is an open circuit and a closed circuit, and what happening when we switch on the when we switch on the plug, or when we switch off any electric equipments like fan, the bulb. Okay, जब हम स्विच ऑफ करते हैं तब क्या होता है, कैसे हो जाता है हमारा सर्किट, और जब हम स्विच ऑन करते हैं तब हमारा सर्किट कैसे हो जाता है. ओके, एक चीज प्लीज डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज, व्हेन वी स्विच ऑन देन द क्लोज सर्किट विल बी फॉर्म. जब हम स्विच ऑन करते हैं तो क्लोज्ड सर्किट होता है, and when we switch off then the circuit will be open. So this is known as an open circuit. So student, now what is a conductor and insulator? Conductor are any material which allow the flow of electric current or heat. Okay, जिसमें से electric current easily pass हो जाता है, that is known as a conductor. For example, any metal like we can say the aluminium or the iron. Okay, that are then conductor, good conductors. And the silver foil, generally when we make any small circuit or any project we use silver foil. Okay, and now what is an insulator? Insulator are that material which do not allow the flow of current or heat. For example, plastic. Okay, and the wood. Okay, these are the example, and other examples like we can say the cloth. Okay, that are an example of an insulator. So student, your this chapter is over here. I hope now you understood each and everything. Everything is clear to you, because here we have done a revision. And still, if you are having any doubt, you can leave your comment you can leave your question in a comment box below. So student, till then, keep learning, stay safe and stay healthy.